How to make money online with crypto. 1. Buy and HODL. This is the most common way of earning money from cryptocurrencies. Most investors buy coins such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and more and wait until their value rise. Once their market prices rise, they sell at a profit. This investing strategy requires one to identify more stable and volatile assets that can shift in value rapidly, resulting in regular profits. Assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have been known to maintain regular price fluctuations. They can, therefore, be considered a safe investment in this regard. However, you're welcome to trade any asset you feel is going to rise in value. All you need to do is to analyze each asset you invest in before committing to HODLing it. Also, you don't need to buy the most expensive assets for you to make profits. There are thousands of small altcoins that have decent price shifts. Consider having a mix of all coins that have a promising future value and are not just popular in the exchanges. 2. Earn cryptocurrency dividends. Did you know that you can buy cryptos and hold them for the dividend? Well, there are a number of coins that will get you paid for simply buying and holding their digital assets. The best thing about these coins paying a dividend to holders is you don't even have to stake them, especially in a wallet. A few examples of coins that pay out dividends include COS, Ceph, NEO, KuCoin, and more. Just like the conventional stocks, not all of these coins are suitable for your portfolio. You'll need to analyze and pick out what seems to align with your investment objectives. 3. Run cryptocurrency master nodes. What is a crypto master node? These are full nodes that motivate operators of the various nodes to execute their roles in operating a blockchain. In other words, a master node is a cryptocurrency full node or computer wallet that maintains a real-time record of a blockchain's activities. The idea behind master nodes is a bit technical in nature, but below is a simplified explanation. Running crypto masternodes is one of the most popular ways of earning passive income in this space. But how exactly do you make money from this? Many cryptocurrencies pay node operators to maintain a real-time record of their activities on their native blockchains. Since the process is complex and requires one to maintain a certain minimum number of coins under their masternodes, crypto platforms prefer outsourcing the service to masternode operators at a fee. Examples of proof-of-stake cryptos that have masternodes include Dash and Pips. 4. Stake cryptos. This is another method of earning money from cryptocurrencies. It offers a double earning potential through price appreciation and dividend payout from selected coins for staking or proof-of-stake, their digital assets. Staking involves holding coins in a live wallet, thus allowing you to earn additional coins for securing that particular crypto network. Some examples of coins that can be staked include NAV Coin, PIVX, Neblio, Decred, and many more. 5. Day trading. More than 80% of cryptocurrency investors believe that the only effective way, if not the only way, to earn money in this space is through day trading. But what most of them don't know is that day trading is more than just holding an asset until its value rises. It takes a lot to be a day trader, but most importantly, you need to have the proper analytical and technical skills. You'll need to analyze market charts on the performance of the listed assets. This is perhaps the most involving way of earning from cryptos, but I believe one of the most rewarding. You can start day trading on any exchange today. All you need to do is to sign up, buy some assets, analyze, and you're all set. You can also start trading through an automatic trading platform like Bitcoin Profit, which allows users to decipher the signals emitted by the trends on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and start perform successful small trader. Tip: if you're going to be a day trader, consider mastering the art of analyzing stocks using the technical and fundamental methods. They are widely used to evaluate all traded assets. 6. Help out with cryptocurrency microtasks. If you have extra time, you can also do some small tasks for individuals or cryptocurrency platforms and get paid for it. The tasks can widely vary. It could be apps testing, adverts viewing, taking surveys, watching videos, and more. You can get microtasks from sites such as Bitcoin's Rewards, Coinbucks, or Bituro. 7. Work for cryptocurrency companies. This is a common way of earning from the sector. Anyone can work for a cryptocurrency company at any capacity. You can be a digital marketer, content creator, web designer, among other things. All you have to do is to identify their needs and show them how your skills can help solve a problem. The best thing about working for crypto platforms is that you're likely to work remotely, allowing you to benefit from the flexibility of working from your own space. Other than that, most crypto firms offer very competitive packages, and if you happen to come by a chance to work with any legit ones, don't hesitate to take up the opportunity. Below are a few examples of platforms that pay in digital assets for services rendered: Coinality, Bitwage, Jobs for Bitcoin, Angle.co, XBT Freelancer, CoinWorker, 21.co. These companies offer their compensation in terms of cryptos. This, therefore, means that the value of your earnings can more than double in value within days, if not hours. 8. Crypto arbitrage. The cryptocurrency sector is largely unregulated. This has resulted in a lot of variations in terms of assets valuation, pricing of products, and so on. Most exchanges decide for themselves the prices their assets at are listed, and this has brought avoid the difference in the volatility and liquidity of assets. If well researched, one can make a kill from these price variations through buying from cheap sources and selling on overpriced exchanges. This is pretty much what describes arbitrage. If you get your act together, you can find anything between 5%, 30% in price spreads across various exchanges. Consider signing up on various platforms and compare asset prices to find any meaningful variations to capitalize on. 9. Cryptocurrency faucets. Crypto faucets are not that popular, but a very viable means of income generating. Bitcoin faucets are the most popular ones, and they are basically a reward system that runs in the form of a website or application that offers rewards to qualified users in form of a Satoshi. A Satoshi is 100th of a millionth BTC, a reward awarded for completing a task, such as a capture or any other, as may be required by the application or website. The tasks may also be in form of fun activities, such as playing games, watching videos, viewing certain ads. Each task that's accomplished earns you a small portion of Bitcoin. You may need to complete quite a number of tasks to be able to make any tangible income from cryptocurrency faucets. You can check out some faucets right here. 10. Create cryptocurrency content. Over the last decade, content has become one of the most effective ways of communicating any message to your existing or potential clients. If you need to launch a new product or services, content is the best way to do that. The crypto sector, especially, relies on content marketing a lot due to the fact that most projects are virtual. It may, therefore, not be possible to use conventional marketing ways to reach the target audience. And this is where the opportunity lies. You can create video content, infographics, or written content for various cryptocurrency brands. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.